Babe, wake up! It's 7 o'clock. We have a lot of to do today. It's Vlogmas!
But first, let's make a coffee.
Come on, it's Vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Joseph and I'm a full-time eBay reseller based in UK. Today is the day 7 from the Vlogmas, and what we do today, we listing some item, we testing some item, and we show to you some items from the auction, what we bought and how much we can sell it for. Also we sold few items, but it's quite slow the sales at the moment from eBay. And we sold one item on Etsy, and yeah, that's it, not much. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also follow us on Instagram, TGIRU77, and let's go and show to you what we sold yesterday. Like you can see, it's not much. A few plushies, a pot, a vintage made in Yugoslavia pot, sold on Etsy for £20 plus postage. I think we paid a £1 or £2 for that one. Also sold this Lion King bundle, the Bunga and the Leopard, for £10 or something like that on Vinted, but we get it for free, and because of the condition we sold lower price. Also this one is from the mystery box, we sold for £10. It's a Mary Poppins, and like I said to you, the Manhattan Toy Company teddy bears sold within 1 week for £20 free postage. So definitely you have to look out for Manhattan Toy Company soft toys because they are selling very fast. Also we sold on eBay My Little Pony soft toy for £10 free postage, and this one I showed to you I think 2 days ago. Cost us around £1–2. This one is a smart heater warm-up, which, yeah, like I said, cost around £1–2 and sold for £80. So very happy about that. But because we received one of the return, we get only £40 payout today. So hopefully today is better, and hopefully the buyers wake up because Christmas is on the way. So yeah, see you guys later. So we are done with few items. I show to you in a minute, but I just want to say we sold only one items today so far, and the time is 4 o'clock. We are not happy about that because, like I said, we're listing every day. So I don't know what's going on. Should I have to call eBay or do anything with that? Maybe I just call them today. But yeah, let's go to show to you what we photographed today. The first item, it's a Sony micro HiFi component system. It's working perfectly, and should be listing around £40–50. Also we have a pink micro CD player and radio. That is the system. It has a small damage on that, but probably in this condition still can sell for around £25. Also we have a GVC auto radio, CD receiver, and we're selling like untested for £20. And let's see what is here. We have a Technics compact disc player, which is I tested already and it's working perfectly, selling on eBay around £80–120. Also have the tuner as well, and like you can see, we have two how they call it, hi-fi, CD player and radio, boombox, yeah, I found the word. Two boombox, both of them is working perfectly, and we're looking for around 30 to 40 pound each on that one. And finally we make a photo for the vibration power, which is also selling for around 50 to 100 pound. We have a beautiful mirror, vintage mirror, which we paid 5 pound, and probably we're listing for around 40 quid. It's heavy as well. And also we have here a brand new Arkham Diva AV receiver, which is, I don't say brand new, but it's in mint condition with remote controller and manual as well, selling on eBay around in this condition 150 pound. Also we have here two keyboards, which is 10 pound each. And here we have a Samsung subwoofer, which is working as well, and probably 20 to 25 pound on that. And we have a big system, Sony system, turntable, CD player, double cassette player system, which again we tested and it's working perfectly. Should be in this condition with speakers and everything. We're looking for around 100 to 150 pound. So happy about that. Like I said to you, we paid for the whole lot what we showed to you yesterday and before that, and we have more items. We paid 220 pound for everything, and so far everything is working as well. Also we found some remote controllers as well, which is probably selling for around 10 to 20 pound, and I think we have 3 of them or 4 of them. So like we said, we have a lot of shoes as well. We checked some of them there. We paid 30 pound for around 30 pair of shoes. We separate them, and we have to put in the bin like 6 pair. And there is some Hotters, some Clarks, and some vintage Mark & Spencer leather shoes. Also it's good size as well, like UK 8 and UK 9. And again, sorry for the mess, we still have a lot to do, and I'm just so happy I can put now everything in the storage. Also I would like to talk about something. It's so many sellers scared to sell stuff for low feedbacks buyers, but here is one thing. Today I received a feedback for a buyer who has only one feedback, and the other one is mine, but I send it to them, and the kindest feedback I received from them. And honestly, I check sometimes the feedbacks, the buyer feedbacks, but I don't mind, because if it's something happen, it's eBay on your side if they do something with your parcel. But probably I think 90% of the low feedbacks buyers, I never have any issue, and I have more issue with the buyers who on eBay like 10 years or more, because I think they know what they can do and how they can do stuff like this. If you enjoy this content, please like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, DJRU77. Take care guys, and see you tomorrow.